قرال فوجي كويني قاجي هنقلي حتى هنت كويني حالدي همايتي بيوم متعلن بيت بعد متعلن هكذبوني حسكو كتبني يالكي سيد أنو يو يسكأنا يو أنت كويني
أردان سدح ميلود عندني سدح ميلود أنا جالسوا فيجي ماشي أنا هذا سود دقني قولي أنا لو بقولي ندهن قولي مقبنا بوس مقبنا.
The main drivers for displacement was first conflicts and also the production of the local food has also been decreased. The rain season has also been decreased. So people they have preferred to come and remain in Baidoa. When they come to Baidoa, they have been occupied in a private land. Local government have been initiated to negotiate with the private owners' land. How can these people can be settled there? The final day, the private owner says, I need my land, so there is no option to say no.
As the demand and value of land rises in Baidoa, thousands of IDPs are now at high risk of being evicted.
About a year ago, or a year and a half ago, there was big evictions in Mogadishu. So the municipality of Baidoa called a meeting together with all the partners and their government agencies, and they said that they wanted to avoid this happening in Baidoa. And so the solution that came out of this 3-day consultation was that they should give public space for displaced people to settle on. So they requested some of the UN agencies, including IOM and UN Habitat and Humanitarian partners, to develop the land here so that anyone at risk of eviction in Baidoa could settle here until they wanted to either stay long-term or return to their home areas and not have fear of eviction and have good access to services.
The International Organization for Migration, IOM, has been leading the effort to provide a more durable solution to displacement in Baidoa by planning to relocate IDPs at risk of eviction to a new public site provided by the Southwest State Government. The site development for the first phase was completed in May 2019. From the beginning, the site was developed to meet the immediate needs of the relocating IDPs by providing basic services such as emergency shelters, water, and safe household latrines, while also integrating durable solutions to meet long-term standards in the urban context, including clearing roads leading to the nearest markets, solar streetlights, police posts, and information center for community engagement.
CCCM has been working on not only site development, so we were the ones who designed the site, we did a site plan, did the demarcation, cleared the bushes, dug drainage, and then we worked with other service providers to ensure that there was adequate service provision at site level.
Durable Solution Department of IOM have supported us the solar lighting, the police station in terms of protection, and then we started demarcating the plots. Then we started drainage, where we dig a primary and secondary drainage in the site.
IOM has constructed 500 latrines and a sustainable water supply system, including 2 elevated water tanks that aims to provide clean and safe water to the 1,000 households. IOM has installed water bladders on site to deliver water through the water tracking, while undergoing hydrological assessments in the area to identify new sources of water for a sustainable solution to water supplies. Main roads leading to the nearest markets are also cleared for easy access and linkage with the host communities. The site plan further allows space for markets, community centers, and common service areas.
One of the things that has been instrumental in this project, besides the collaboration from the donors, has been also the role of the administration, the local administration, especially the municipality. Without them and the Ministry of Planning, it would have not been possible to implement this project, because they were the ones who identified the solutions. They were the ones that identified the land available for the IDPs, but also they were the ones coordinating the whole task force that was the one directing and guiding what was the direction that all the partners together needed to go. No?
waynin koy haye guuris fadaasana raalika etina yana na ari raalika ana guurana wadanka waynin didinya guurana na ari arni boonin nasi waysan guuriye meela la sinjeeye wana na ari agalkaana furfurdayna hir dhowdahayna waysan guuriye baawara la siin saare agalkin ertiim ku usdaasana na ari baawarana neesheenahay baawartaas alaabtana neen ku usahay
horta anagu nabadgelyo u baahan laakiin dadka afkiisa waxay u badan yihiin meeshaas maxay ahayd dagaale maxay arbusha jir waxba arbusha jir dadka afkiisa u badan yihiin laakiin anaga nabadgelyo u baahan
waxaan ka fikiraa horta magaalada way iga fogaanaysaa maxay ahayd niideedu waxaan isleeyahay biyana ama ku dhibtootaana waa isleeyahay oo hadda ceel baa noo qodnaa ceelkaas biyiis iska cabi jirnay
waxyaaba meesha ayna aan qor aan kale wax kamid ah in isku wax barasho free ah in la helo muhiimad ugu muhiimsan iyo biyaha
waxaan guuri markii aan guuriyay baawarana hanay guuri alaabtan iyaan hanay usii dad qaraawo badan ee la ka guuri dadka alaabtiyo ku dhunti hata boorsada dhunti dharka waliila gabi udubka alaabta ku dhunti ana halkii alaabmaha oo dhumna baawarana neeshaani mashquulka badan hunguriga kashakashaga dhibka isku badanay
The arriving IDPs were supported with cash-based intervention using vouchers and cash transfer for shelter items. On arrival, they were provided with vouchers for shelter materials to help them construct and upgrade their shelters, as well as conditional cash transfers. This was complemented by conducting shelter construction trainings to community members who would then support their neighbors in shelter construction and upgrades. IOM staff were also on standby to support the shelter construction of 150 most vulnerable households.
intaan la keenay boos aan na tusay booskii markii na siiya jiingadihii iyo albaabkii iyo tiirarkii iyo wixii na siiyay bixiyaalno iyo booskii na qalbilsiiyay
anta markii aan nashaanay sumeelo way siin guuriye la sinday dubuda way sanduqday dad la farxalaayay dad la hormiyay barigalka si ay ku murugaani hadii uu nasaani gurina nindasi maalad nasi walbaneen farxalaayana biyoga noolalaan wal alla wali uu nashaanna tartiib ka aamaha in walaneen ka dhamahayna nabad oo bashaare yak roog
nijab iyo walba ma ka aragno amantan nashaana qolku ma sha Allah la ka aragni dugsiis qola la siin gadasay la neereen notusi ma sha Allah walba ma qala suuqato meelno familki ani suuq galahay han shaqeeye hatta aan ka shaqeeye wala hawad wareejisay kastaas aan habiib hayno bibiyo sidayna dhomta kaalmaysadayna iska la aaman
meel u baxay oo maanta aan aadahay male bartan inaan joogo arqeyd ku karsado joogo guri ka dhisto guri leeyiso wax dhisaaqad ka helayaan rabaa
walay qorshada ani widaadka oo qorshadaana way buu in iyalka guran dhisna ununa gurigaana goonaanka dhisna jikka dhisada baraak soobsada adduunyo dhanka sabaysado ay hanan fadeen.
The humanitarian and development nexus is something that IOM is trying to get right, and the public site for relocation of IDPs has presented an opportunity for IOM to really learn to work together across the mission, particularly the Preparedness and Response Division and the Transition and Recovery Division, which is what the Durable Solutions side is.
IOM is planning to relocate further 2,000 households to the new site.
dawladda nidulna siday ni war hayto atana nin kormeer hayto ya yaa hata la kulunay aragahayn